Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing a shrimp and veggie stir-fry noodles recipe, and for this I'm using a pound of shrimp. Here I have some scallions. Here I have some hoisin sauce, snap peas, some red bell peppers. Back here I have some Old Bay seasoning, which is a must, some lemon pepper, black pepper, carrots, 1 carrot, onion and garlic, some bok choy, my broccoli. In the back I have my sesame oil, my salt, and my cooking soy sauce. Now this is a dark soy sauce. I'm also going to be using some olive oil. And I'm also going to be using these chow noodles. Now you're going to cook it for whatever the pack says, and some vinegar. So I'm going to start by seasoning my shrimp. I'm going to be using some black pepper. Then I'm going to follow up with some sea salt. Now you can use regular salt if you would like to. And then I'm going to add some lemon pepper seasoning. And of course some Old Bay seasoning. And we're going to mix this all together, making sure that every piece of shrimp has this seasoning on there. Now this is the jumbo size shrimp, and it's deveined and peeled. And place it to a side until we're ready. So I'm going to start with a tablespoon of olive oil. And we're just going to move that around the base so everything is covered. Also, I put the pasta to boil, and the pack says 8 to 10 minutes. And now I'm going to start going in with my shrimp. Now you're going to make sure you move them around so everything gets direct heat. And I'm gonna flip it over after 1 minute, because we're gonna put them back in with the pasta after, so it's going to cook some more. So you don't want to overcook your shrimp by keeping it in here for more than 2 to 3 minutes. So a minute has passed, and I'm going to be removing the shrimp from the pan and place them in a bowl, set them to a side. You do not want to overcook the shrimp because shrimp gets rubbery. Don't let people talk about you and say it's rubbery shrimp you're cooking, my girl. Shrimp is one of the easiest things to cook. Okay, now, so I'm going back in with some more olive oil. Just about a teaspoon or 2. And then I'm going in with my sesame oil, which is about a tablespoon. Move that around so you can wake up some of these juices at the bottom. And then we're going in with our onion and garlic. Allow it to saute for about 2 minutes. So the 2 minutes has passed, and now I'm going in with my carrots. Now this is 1 carrot. I'm going to move it around. Allow it to saute, and then we're going in with our bok choy and saute that as well, followed by our snap peas, I'm gonna go in with my peppers. I'm gonna follow this up with my broccoli. So in all, I'm just sauteing my veg for about 5 to 6 minutes in total. And next I'm going in with my hoisin sauce. Now the hoisin sauce has a sweet taste to it, so it balances off that tangy taste you will get from soy sauce. And here I'm going to go in with my soy sauce. And next, I'm going to be going in with my noodles. And I'm going to start mixing it around so that soy sauce and that hoisin sauce gets distributed evenly throughout my noodles and also my vegetables. And this is how it's going to look once everything is evenly distributed. This dish took me back to my college days. There used to be this lady that would sell it at the state college in Dominica, and we would wait patiently to get our chow mein in the afternoon. Oh my gosh, this was so good. Now I'm going in with my shrimp, and I'm going to move that noodles around again so that the shrimp can get all these good seasonings. See that? Thanks again for watching, and I look forward to seeing you guys in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.